Hi folks, Janet and Greg here, Strange RV Tours. We're in Needles, California. What? And we're at this little oasis of an RV park. It's Fender's River Road Resort. And we got a Passport America discount with tax and everything. It was $30 a night. But we were exhausted. We were going to try to boondock, but we found this and they had a spot, so we're going to show you around. It's awesome.
Strange RV Tours will take you places with Greg and Janet's smiling faces. You might see a crazy flavored soda review or some tips to fix your RV too. So come along, won't you join us, friend, as we discover what's around the bend. Just sit right back in your easy chair. Strange RV Tours is on the air. Strange RV Tours is on the air.
Okay, here's our spot. There's the river right there. But let's take a look around. They've got approximately 150 spots. They have like 136 or 7 over here, and they have another side by the office that has like another 20 spots. But we're going to go down to the water. They do have boat storage and RV storage. I don't know how much that is, but nice to have if you're not going to be a full-timer. But
they have live bands on the weekend too.
Yeah, but we're here on a Thursday night. I heard they were revamping some of the electrical because they didn't have very much 50 amp, and now they're revamping that, revamping the pool, and we'll see what we can find, man. Yeah, here we go. We're going into the dog beach area. Hey, this is nice. Horseshoes. Pretty cool. Yeah. Look at this view. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, isn't that great? See if he'll go down the stairs. Go on, Max. He's doing it. Awesome. Awesome. This is nice. Look at this. It's called the Dog Beach. Yeah, that's nice.
Look, Max.
Want some water? Here you go, Max. Awesome. Look. He's liking that. Wow. Beautiful evening. Oh my gosh.
Look at those gnats.
Oh my gosh, look at the, can you guys see those gnats? They're just swarming over there. Wow. Let's see if you can see them. Ooh. Don't walk into those. Cool.
Well, that's a nice spot up there they have.
Yeah. They got their own patio, their own lookout. That's pretty neat. Yeah. Right now, wow.
This is the Colorado River.
Oh, okay. Cool. Dock up over there. Yeah. Now Now I heard there's a boat beach, a north beach, and a south beach. Yeah. And there's the fire pit. Nice. Nice boat ramp. So that's the boat beach, apparently. Okay. Keep walking.
Look, Max, we got horseshoes.
It says it's 100 degrees out right now. It does not feel it. In the shade, it does not feel like it at all. I think they got shuffleboard over here.
Shuffleboard.
That's what I said. Pretty cool. Nice little picnic area with a barbecue grill. Nice big trees, shade trees. Way to go. Yeah. Let's see. And grass. They have real grass. Wow. Oh, look. A bunch of ducks down here. Wow. So, I'm wondering if this is considered North Beach. But pretty cool. See, there's a boathouse. The rumor is that boathouse is going to be turned into a snack bar. And that'd be cool to have, huh? Right there on the water. They get all kinds of boaters then. Look at that. See that? Little remote. It's as fast as their boat.
Wow.
That's cool. All right, let's keep on exploring. Right over here is the pool area, and it's supposed to be cantina here and a deli. This is the laundry. Let's see what they got here. The bathrooms, yeah. Stone over here. Awesome. Bathrooms. And showers. Couple showers. Older. Really older. There's a bunch of books and such. Out of order. I guess $1.50 for 48 minutes, and I don't know how much the washers are. Probably $1.50. Probably. We go on it. Explore. I'm curious. I wonder if this takes you to the pool area. Like that's all storage in there. Yeah. See all this over here? Clubhouse. Oh, it's locked. Pretty good size. Can't see much in there. Take a look at the pool area. Sorry, the pool is closed for construction. That's what somebody's telling me. There. Looks like they Pretty good sized spa. The pool only goes 4 foot deep, but and this, the upper level. There's 2 sides. There's more on this side and not so many on that side. Let's see. Take a peek. That cool? That whole tree. These are some big trees, man. He's waiting for me. Let me see. What? Oh, there's a dog down there. A dog?
Yeah, it's a swimming hole right there off that pier.
Oh, really? Oh, cool. Cool, another ramp. Pretty neat. Alright, isn't this gorgeous? The sun's going down. Got cute little foxes or coyotes on the wall over here. But pretty neat. And that's pretty cool looking. I don't know if you can really see them in this light. That's, see, like that. They're just trying to get close enough. They're like little coyotes. And the office was way down there. They do have a little motel. I don't know how much the rooms are there, but they have spaces all through here. Boats here, boats at the end, RV storage and boat storage at the end. But we were just gonna stay one night. We might stay 2, just to take a chill pill. See, Fender's Riverfront Motel and RV sites here in Needles, California. Well, this is a nice little park, and everybody's been super friendly. I mean, really, they're introducing themselves. They say, well, you gotta stay longer than just one night. It's not worth it just to stay one night. So we might stay longer.
I think we will.
All right, guys, if you like this one, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the little bell for notifications for all our stuff. And thank you to our Patreons. And what do you want to say?
Nothing. Have a great week, people. We'll see you again soon.